How to fix Bluetooth not working in Moto G17 power. First of all, turn on or turn off Bluetooth. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on connected device. Click on connection preferences. Click on Bluetooth. Now here you will see Bluetooth button. And if you want to turn on Bluetooth, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on Bluetooth from your phone. And if you want to turn off Bluetooth, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off Bluetooth from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth cache. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on apps. Now here you will see app. Click on three dots more option. Click on show system app and search Bluetooth app. Now click on Bluetooth. Scroll down. Click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. And after click on clear cache, Bluetooth will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down. Open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on system. Scroll down. Click on reset option. Click on reset mobile network setting and again click on reset setting. After again click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth not working in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.